I have the pleasure of having Joe Kokol here with me. He's one of the players on the Rochester Technical Community College team. This is actually their first year competing in nationals. We're excited to have them here with us. And right now we're going to have Joe give us a little feedback about how the team did this weekend.
Well, you know, we're ranked 24th out of 24 teams, so, and we knew the competition coming into this tournament. We knew the intensity and the eliteness of all these teams. So we were really honored to be here competing against these elite teams. And you know, we didn't do the greatest, but we all had a great time, and we're pleased to be able to be a part of this tournament.
Now, Joe, typically everyone has an underdog story that they go into a match when you know that you're playing probably one of the best teams in the country. What's going through some of the minds of you and your teammates at that time?
Right, like for instance, yesterday morning we played Texas Wesleyan, which is the #1 team, and you know, we all were like wowed about this opportunity to be able to play this team, and we knew that they're so much better than us, but we went in there just thinking, just do our best and have a good time doing it.
Absolutely. For those of you out there right now who are thinking about putting together a team, it's very well possible. Rochester Technical Community College, they come from, you know, one player and one administrator to now having a team. Without the support of March Stanfield and the administration here, I really don't think that team would have been possible. They also have the support of their local table tennis club, the Rochester Table Tennis Club. Talk about what it's like having a supportive group in your area to kind of help a college program.
Right, it's very nice to have this support, this network in our community. There's our school, the Rochester Community and Technical College. We have our team club, and then we have the team, and then we also have the Rochester Table Tennis Club, and it's all kind of interconnected, and we all kind of support each other, which is very nice.
That's great.
Very wonderful.
Tell me a little bit about what you guys have look forward to the future. Are there going to be bringing any coaches? Do you think you're going to be maybe recruiting some players outside of the Minnesota area?
Sure, I sure hope so. I think this tournament has really given us an opportunity to be more established and get our name out there. So I hope to see. There's a couple players that are leaving the team to go on to other schools, but I hope we can recruit and keep this team going and hopefully be at this tournament again next year and the years.
Joe, do you yourself have any aspirations once you leave Rochester Technical Community College to move on to another institution? And if so, do you have one in mind that could be here with us this weekend?
Oh, well, you know, in the fall I'm actually going up to St. Paul to go to a small private music school, and they don't have a team, but so I'm trying to search these possibilities to keep playing, but I don't know.
Wonderful.
So.
If there's anyone out there in the St. Paul area that's gone to that school, Joe here is going to be coming to town pretty soon, looking to put together a table tennis team, and hopefully that club in St. Paul can support his efforts in creating a college program at the St. Paul Music School there. Joe, thanks so much for being with us this weekend.
Thank you for having us.
We're just really pleased to be here at this facility in Rochester. Every time we come to Rochester, we just have so much fun, and the support of the school and the community has just been wonderful, and it couldn't be the event that it is without them, so we just really thanks. And Joe, good luck in the future.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Thank you.